Hi, I'm Mandy, and in this video, I would like to answer the most frequently asked questions about the Norwex business. How much time does it take? That is completely up to you, however, you want to do it. The Norwex business never looks the same for two people. You can work your business part time, full time, or big time. It's totally and completely up to you. It can fit really into the nooks and crannies of your life. And you can decide how you want to do that, which is wonderful. How much does it cost to get started? Is another question frequently asked. The best part about this video I get to tell you is that it costs only $9.99 shipping and handling to get your starter kit. So that includes the large superior mop system and a number of other items and business supplies that actually are worth well over $200. So you can get that for $9.99 and earn that for free if you sell or submit $2,000 in retail sales in your first 90 days. If you do not, you just pay $200 and you get to keep all of those products. So here's another way to think of it. If you sell or submit $600 in retail sales, you will have earned over $200. I think it's $210 in commission, and that will cover your starter kit. So it really is not difficult to get started, and also to earn that kit for free. You can have 4 parties averaging about $500 in sales, and you will have earned your starter kit for free. Anybody can do something 4 times, right? Try it. See what you think about doing parties. They're pretty fun. Have some drinks and some food and visit with some people. Show them the stuff that's pretty fantastic and exciting. And you can earn your starter kit for free and have tried the business and see if it's something that you love or not, and continue on if you love it, and don't if you do not. Nothing lost. And it's certainly so much to be gained. So, who pays for the Host Rewards program? You get to go in and change people's lives, and Norwex will pay your hosts for hosting with you. 100% Norwex will pay for all the rewards that they're going to earn for hosting a party with you. Norwex is truly incredibly generous with hosts, and I often give away over $500 in free hosting gifts, all from Norwex. Will I have to keep an inventory? No, you certainly do not have to keep an inventory. Norwex will send orders directly to customers and to hosts. You can not touch them at all. You can go right to their door, unless you would like to deliver them. You certainly don't have to. I do find that Norwex sends me a lot of free stuff, and I do like to keep a little bit of things on hand for customers, but totally up to you. Will I make money if I help others get started? Certainly. You absolutely can make money. In fact, you just need to have 3 people that have joined you in the business, and you will start to earn a manager's commission. But you certainly do not need to be in leadership in order to be a consultant and to love the job and to make money. Why did I choose Norwex? I chose Norwex because of the products. I absolutely love the products, and they just got me. I couldn't not share the amazingness of Norwex products. And then shortly after discovering the products, I discovered what an amazing company Norwex is, and I love the mission of Norwex to improve quality of life by radically reducing chemicals in our homes. I love helping people, and so that just all works together to have made it a no-brainer for me to not only join, but to really just love this job that I get to do. What kind of support would I receive as a new consultant? Great question. There is tons of support for new consultants. On your website that you get immediately when you sign up, there is just tons and tons of training right at your fingertips. There's also a lot of Facebook groups that you can be a part of where consultants are sharing information and help of all kinds. There's also podcasts and other things that you can watch, and lots of videos on YouTube with great information and help. So you're certainly not going to go it alone. Also, you have me and my team of consultants that you would be joining, and we love to help each other and support each other, cheer each other on. Lots of people to ask questions and get help from. And how do I get more info? Please ask. We would love to share more information with you. I can send you lots of detailed information or a little bit of detailed information that will help you in making an informed decision. I would love to chat. Send me a message, an email, a text, whatever, and I will happily share with you any other questions that you can think of and send you information that will be helpful to you. Thanks again for watching, and have a good day.